solve this question, we have to check if it is homogeneous and then solve each one of them. So let's see what is the equation and let's check if it is homogeneous. So 1 plus e power x by y into dx, if I transpose this particular term, this whole term to the RHS side, I will get minus of e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy. If I multiply both minus out inside, I will get e power x by y into x by y minus 1 into dy. 1 plus e power x by y into dx. I want dx by dy. Okay, I want dx by dy. I'll tell you the reason. Dx by dy will be equals to e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e power x by y. Let's check if it is homogeneous. For homogeneous, we are going to find f of lambda x into lambda x lambda y. So this will be e power lambda x by lambda y. Okay, here I am checking if it is homogeneous or not, into lambda x by lambda y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power lambda x by lambda y. Now lambda gets cancelled out and we will get f of lambda x lambda y equals to f of xy. So it is homogeneous, right? Now to solve homogeneous differential equations, we are going to put either y equals to vx or x equals to vy. Now in this question, we are going to, do this particular thing. Reason being, we already have x by y in the question. Okay, we have x by y here, x by y here, x by y here. So it will be convenient for us to put x by y equals to v instead of y by x equals to v. In that case, we will put 1 by v and that will complicate the scenario. So we will just put x by y equals to v. So that is the reason I already found what dx by dv to solve this type of differential equation. So we will be letting x equals to vy. So x by y equals to v. So in the equation we have dx by dy equals to, e power y. Instead of x by y we put v, e power v into v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e power v, right? Now from this equation, let's say I am differentiating with respect to y on both sides. I get dx by dy equals to v plus y dv by dy. Okay, now let's substitute this particular thing instead of dx by dy. So v plus y into dv by dy is equals to e power v. If I multiply e power v both the sides, we get v into e power v minus v e power v divided by 1 plus e power v. Now if I transpose this v to the other side, I'll get y into dv by dy is equals to ve power v minus ev by 1 plus e power v minus of v. Y dv by dy is equals to ve power v minus e power e v minus v. Okay, I am taking the LCM, minus ve power v divided by 1 plus e power v. This gets cancelled out. I will be getting minus of e power v plus 1 divided by 1 plus e power v. Sorry, we have v here. Y into dv by dy. Now again, variable separation method we can put. So if I transpose the v terms to the LHS, we will be getting 1 plus e power v by v plus e power v into dv equals to minus of 1 by y into dy. Now integrating on both sides, integral 1 by 1 plus e power v into v plus e power v into dv equals to minus of integral 1 by v into dy. Okay, now let us put v plus e power v as t, substitution method of solving integrals. So differentiating with respect to v on both sides, we will get 1 plus e power v equals to dt by dv. If I transpose this dv to the other side, I will get this. And if you clearly see, this is nothing but dt itself. So I can write dt instead of this particular term. So what do I get is integral 1 by t dt is equals to minus of integral 1 by y dy. So here it will be ln of t is equals to minus of ln y plus whatever constant we are including, that also will have ln term. So this can be written as ln t equals to ln c by y, right? Now what was the t value? T is equals to v plus e power v. So ln of v plus e power v equals to ln of c by y. Now we can cancel both of the log terms. We will get v plus e power v equals to c by y. Now we'll just put the value of v as well. V is equals to x by y, right? So x by y plus e power x by y equals to c by y. If I take y LCM and cancelling on the both sides, I'll get x plus y e power x by y equals to c. And this is our final answer.